For professional installation, call us at 844-411-0240. Are you afraid to tackle electrical work on your own? Installing a 110 volts outlet is easier than you think. Let's make it happen together. First things first, safety is key. Head to your circuit breaker and turn off the power to the area you'll be working in. Double check with a voltage tester to be extra sure. Next, gather your tools, a flathead screwdriver, wire stripper, and of course your new outlet. Remove the old outlet by unscrewing the faceplate and the screws holding it in place. Gently pull it out. Now you'll see 3 wires, black, hot, white, neutral, and green or bare ground. Strip about ½ inch off the ends if needed. Connect the black wire to the brass screw, white wire to the silver screw, and the ground wire to the green screw. Tighten those screws firmly. Carefully tuck the wires back into the box and secure your new outlet with screws. Attach the faceplate, and you're done. Head back to the breaker, turn the power on, and test your new outlet. Easy, right? Remember, stay safe and confident. Happy DIYing with Positive Electricians. For professional installation, call us at 844-411-0240.